Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I thought it would be kind of interesting to compare the Boxycharm from December to the Boxy Premium from December. Now, I know these are two different boxes at different price points, but they're coming from the same company and they're only $10 apart. And so I kind of wanted to do a little side-by-side comparison from my two boxes that I got in December. First off, just like some information, I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for over 2 years now. I have had Boxy Luxe, I've had regular Boxycharm, and December was my first month of doing Boxy Premium. I've had every subscription that you can have from Boxycharm, and so I definitely have some experience with the brand and with the subscription. And so I thought it'd be interesting to just compare the two boxes that I got this month and kind of see what my thoughts are and share it with you. So I have both of my cards from December. The large card is from the premium box and the smaller card is from the regular box. Both cards look the same. The theme this month was whimsy, and it's cute. It looks holiday-ish. So I want to show you what I got in both boxes and then give you a value of both boxes, compare it to price, and kind of see where I'm standing. So let's start with the regular box because that's probably the most common. I got an eyeshadow palette from Storybook Cosmetics, and this is the Robin Hood palette. Really cute little palette, great like holiday colors in here, really fun. The value on this is $35. The next thing is actually something I wasn't supposed to get in my box, and I'm still waiting on the thing I'm supposed to get in my box. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I actually had a little like mishap with my subscription, I guess you could say. My box came really late this month, but then also I got an email from Boxycharm saying like, hey, we sent you the wrong choice item, and so you can keep the one that came in your box and we'll send you the one that you chose, which is really cool. Like, that's awesome. I haven't checked my mail the last few days to see if that came yet, but they said they were gonna send a tracking number and I haven't gotten that yet. But so I did get this one, but I am actually gonna give this away as a Christmas present, and so this is worth $79, which is a very high price tag, but this is a great brand. I've tried a few other things from Elemis from Boxycharm and have enjoyed them very much. And so I can see where the $79 price tag came from, but like crazy to get in a $25 box. The next thing is actually something I've been really enjoying. This is from Ciate, London, and it's the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. And the packaging is really cute. It's like a mirrorized little compact, and mine's in the shade Halo, and it's this really nice kind of like mauve-y pink color. It's almost like a matte blush that has like a little bit of like a highlight spun through it, and this retails for $26. Second to last, I got the Estetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. And I feel like some people might not have been super psyched to get this in their box, but I really enjoyed getting this in my box. I haven't used it yet. I'm probably gonna use it tonight. I'm traveling, I'm leaving in like 2 days, and so I need to really wash my brushes. But this is a value of $12. So like, not a super expensive item to add to the box, but I would way rather have this than like a $12 eyeliner. And then the last thing in the box is this little brow bar. It's a brow makeover kit, and so I did my unboxing a few days ago and I tried this on and I do not like it. It's not my fave. I haven't used it since. You get like 2 powder brow products. You get a concealer, a brow pomade, like a brow mascara, and then you have this little tiny brush. Just nothing about this is really great besides the packaging. Like, besides it all coming in one little package, which I think is really cute and it looks really sleek and nice, the product was not my fave. And this retails for $30, which I feel like is a little steep. Like, if it was like a really great product, I could see it, but because it's like not great, I'm not a huge fan. So the total value of my regular December Boxycharm that retails for $25, the value is $182, which that's crazy. I feel like they say it's worth $150, or that it's going to be worth over $150, but for it to be $182, I feel like is really high. I am kind of curious because the Elemis product was worth $79, where the product that I chose was worth like $30, and so I kind of feel like if they would have sent me the right box originally, I would have had other stuff, like other products in my box, stuff that would have been a little bit better maybe. Not that I think this is a bad box, I think it's a fine box. I'm kind of curious as to if my box would have been different had I gotten the right product. And my box variation for the regular box says number 1. I don't really ever pay attention to this little variation number, but I guess if you're interested, number 1. Moving on to the premium box, I loved this box. Like, I'm a big fan of this box. Again, the card looks the same, it's just bigger. There's 6 products in the premium box, and it's $35, so $10 more for one more product, but I feel like you're getting better products. The first thing in this box is actually a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. This is one of the like 5-pan palettes. It's not like a mini palette, but it's actually like a full-size 5-pan palette, and this is the Cranberry Palette. It's really pretty. It's definitely, I mean, again, it's kind of like a holiday theme of sorts. It's very like red and purple, like berry colors. It is really pretty. I've only used this once. I don't have like a full review, but so far so good. And this retails for $48, which is a very high price tag for 5 eyeshadows. The next product is something I've been loving. This is from Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is for combination to oily skin. First off, the packaging on this is like adorable. I love the like glass, how it's just kind of like imperfect and cute, and the product is like this milky pink color. I just love everything about it. I will say it is quite scented, and I was very nervous. But once you apply it, I do feel like the scent goes away really fast. But I've been using this so much since I got this. I feel like I'm getting in too deep into these topics because this isn't a review. I'm just telling you what I got. But the Glow Recipe retails for $39. I also got an eyeliner. This is from Kat Von D, and it's the Cake Pencil. It's just like a retractable black liner. There's nothing special about this. To me at least, I'm not like drawn to this. It's just a black liner. I actually decluttered like all of my black liners recently, so I guess this is a new one to kind of fill the void. And that retails for $19. The next one was a big ticket item. It's the Avant Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing Duo Moisturizer. And this is very expensive. It's just a small little moisturizer, but it's supposed to be like really great for your skin. I would hope so because it retails for $134. The next thing in my premium box is another thing from Ciate London, and this is the Confetti Highlighter. Again, it's in that really similar like compact, like mirrorized compact as the blush, but this one's bigger, which I feel like I would use a bigger blush as opposed to a bigger highlight. I was a little nervous about this highlight at first. I didn't think I was going to be able to wear it because it is kind of dark, but I can wear it if I wear it as like a blush topper almost. And so I've been enjoying this, but this retails for $32. And then the last product in this box is the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. This is like a nighttime lip balm, and it's fantastic. I've been using it like every night since I've got it, and this retails for $22. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I didn't add up these values like before this video just now. The value of the premium box is $294. I mean, half of that is literally coming from that moisturizer, or almost half. Like, it's $134. Total box was $294. That's like a big chunk of that $294. But I got variation 32. Again, I don't really know if that comes into play a ton with Premium. I feel like the first month of Premium, everyone got the same box. This month, I feel like I've seen a lot of different unboxings. And if I have to be honest, I feel like the one I got is my favorite. So the two boxes, the regular box, $25 for a $182 value. Premium box, $35 for a $294 value. So I'm doing some quick math to figure out what percentage, like how much you're paying for essentially. So like the regular box, $182, but you're paying $25. That means you're paying for 13%, almost 14% of the products, because $25 is like 14% of $182. So you're getting a large discount on these products. While the premium box, $294 value, paying $35, you're paying for 12% of the products. So $35 is 12% of $294, or just under 12%. So there's actually not a huge like value per dollar difference. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger because this is $100 more than this box, or $110 more, $112 if you want to be specific, than the regular box, like the value. So this was about 14% and 12%. So not a huge difference there, but I thought I would mention that because I feel like my math brain went to that initially of like, what's my value? What's my dollar getting me here? So if you're a nerd like me, maybe you like that. For me, I don't need 2 boxes a month. Like, in no way do I need 2 boxes a month. I did enjoy Boxyluxe. I got it for 2 months. Last year, I did September and December of 2018 of Boxyluxe and really enjoyed it, but canceled it because, I mean, $50 a month was like a big price tag. Even though it was only once a quarter, I was still getting $20 box every other month besides that. And so I canceled that because it was an expense, but also I just didn't need that much makeup being added into my life every month. And the premium and regular, like, I don't need 2 boxes at all. That's way too much makeup to get every month. And so I feel like the impression I had of the premium box was that you could upgrade to premium and quit your regular box, which is what I want to do. But I was trying to do that yesterday and I was having some issues. And so I don't know, maybe you guys know, can you quit Boxycharm and still have Boxy Premium? Because that's what I want to do for $10 more a month to get like 1 to 2 more items a month, but like a way higher value. But not even the value, I just feel like you're getting better products, at least for December. I feel like December's box is drawing me that way. So I don't know, do you have some inside knowledge? I'd love to hear about it, because I feel like I'm kind of confused, and I was looking all over their frequently asked questions and could not find an answer. So if you know, please let me know down below. But that is it for today. I just wanted to do like a little comparison and geek out a little bit on math. Yay. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.